Good morning to all students. We are going topic on Kirchhoff rules in current electricity in lesson 2, page number 107. Okay. There are two type of rules. First one, Kirchhoff first rule. Second one, Kirchhoff second rule. Another name is called voltage rule. Okay. First, current electricity. What is mean by current electricity? Current electricity means the branch of physics in which deal the flow of charges through the conductor. What is mean by conductor? Already we know that the material is made up of particle and classified into two types, conductor and insulator. Conductor means is a material in which allow the charges passing through them. Okay. And second one, insulator. Insulator means material in which does not allow the charges passing through them. Okay. For example, wood. Conductor examples, steel, copper, okay, etc. Already we know that. Okay. Kirchhoff rule uses. What is uses of Kirchhoff rule? Kirchhoff rule is used to find out the voltage and the current in electric network. In electric network. Okay. And Ohm's law is used to find the voltage and the current simple circuit only. Simple circuit only. Okay. Ohm's law already we know that. Ohm's law means at constant temperature the steady current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to potential difference. Okay. I means current. I means current. What is current? Current means the rate of flow of charges through conductor. The rate of flow of charges through the conductor is called current. Current is a scalar quantity. What is scalar quantity? The quantity which have only magnitude and no directions. Okay. So current means scalar quantity. Where the current is directly proportional to potential difference. Current means I directly proportional to potential difference. V means potential difference. Okay. If directly proportional equal to near come one constant value, I is equal to the at constant temperature the steady current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to potential difference. I means current, V means potential difference. Okay. If directly proportional equal to near come one constant value, R means constant. Okay. R means constant. So V is equal to IR. This is Ohm's law. The Ohm's law only used to simple circuit for find out the current and the voltage. Okay. Kirchhoff already told that. First you consider 6 conductor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6 be a current passing through conductor at junctions O. Okay. Rules. The algebraic sum of the current meeting at any junction is 0. The algebraic sum of the current meeting at any junction is 0. It is statement of conservations of current. Conservations of, it is statement of conservations of charges. Okay. What is mean by conservations of charges? The charges does not created or destroyed, but one charges is converted into another charges. This is conservations of charges. All charges enter the junctions is equal to leave the junctions. So enter the current is equal to leave the current. So, both are same, both are same. Okay. First, toward the current is taken as positive, away from the junction is taken as negative, taken as negative. Okay. First, toward the current, I1 current, I2 current, I3 current, 3 current toward the junction is taken as positive. Away from the current, what current? I3 current, I4 current and I5 current, I6 current. Okay. So, we see I1 current, I2 current, I3 current, away from the junction I4 current, I5 current, I6 current. The algebraic symbol is taken as toward positive, away from the junction taken as negative. Okay. First I1 toward taken as positive, I2 toward taken as positive, I3 toward taken as positive, algebraic symbol, I4 away from the junction taken as negative, I5 away from the junction taken as negative, I6 away from the junction taken as negative. So, the total current value at junction 0. This is Kirchhoff first rule. The another name is called current law. Another name is called current law. If minus value go to from left to right, what happen? Change into plus. So, enter the current is equal to leave the current, both are same. This is Kirchhoff first rule. And the second voltage rule. First voltage, another name is called voltage rule. So, first current flowing from A to B, the product of current and resistance is taken as positive. If current flow from P to A is taken as negative. The product of current and resistance is taken as negative. And the current flow from A to B taken as EMF, taken as positive. C, this is C. V means potential difference. Potential difference said to be EMF and denoted by C. If current flow from P to A, it taken as EMF value negative, EMF value negative. Okay. This is Kirchhoff's second rule. The statement that in the circuit, the product of current and resistance in each part is equal to the algebraic sum of the EMF. This is Kirchhoff's second rule or voltage rule. Okay. Second topic, Wheatstone bridge. Important applications of Kirchhoff rule is Wheatstone bridge. What is uses of Wheatstone bridge? Wheatstone bridge is used to find out unknown resistance in electric network. Already we know that 10 ohm known resistance, 10 ohm known resistance, 5 ohm known resistance. This is unknown resistance. For examples may be wire. Unknown resistance. The Kirchhoff rule, already we know that Kirchhoff rule is used to find out voltage and current. Wheatstone bridge is used to find out unknown resistance. For examples, wire. It consists 4 resistance P, Q, R, S. Galvanometer is connected between B and D point. Power supply voltage is connected between A and C point. The current flowing from a power supply divided into 4 type. First one I1 current, second one I2 current, third one I3 current, fourth one I4 current. First you apply Kirchhoff first law at point B. Already we know that the algebraic sum of the current at point 81 point is 0. Okay. Toward the junction is taken as positive, away from the junction is taken as negative. I1 current toward the junctions, okay, taken as positive. I3 current away from the junction taken as negative. Ig galvanometer away from the junction taken as algebraic sum negative. So the total value of current is 0 at point B. This is first law applying Wheatstone bridge. And second point D toward the junction taken as positive, toward the junction galvanometer current taken as positive. I4 current away from the junction, away from the junctions. I4 current away from the junction taken as negative. So the total value of current at point T is 0. Total value of current at point T is 0. This is equation 2. And Kirchhoff second rule apply A, B, D, A electric network triangle shape. I1 Kirchhoff second rule already we know that the algebraic sum of product of current and resistance in electric network is equal to algebraic sum of the EMF. You should product current and resistance. First I1 current and resistance P. So the product of current and resistance, algebraic simple toward the clockwise directions. Clockwise direction is taken as positive, anti-clockwise direction is taken as negative. Keep it in your mind. So next current Ig, galvanometer resistance G, the product of current and resistance toward positive. Anti-clockwise directions means toward clockwise directions negative. Anti-clockwise directions I2 current, the product of current and resistance I2R anti-clockwise, algebraic symbol taken as negative. Okay. So the total value 0. Algebraic is equal to algebraic sum of the EMF value 0. There is no EMF because there is no battery connected between closed loop. The EMF value should be 0. And second law applying at the electric network A, B, C, D, A square shape. First current and resistance. I1 current, resistance B, the product of current and resistance. Algebraic symbol clockwise direction taken as positive. And I3 current and resistance Q, clockwise direction positive and anti-clockwise directions negative. Anti-clockwise directions I2 or anti-clockwise directions and I4 IS anti-clockwise directions, algebraic symbol taken as negative. So the total value 0. The total value 0. So this is represent equation 4. The potential same at point B and D. There is no current flowing through galvanometer. Okay. So the galvanometer current should be 0 because current no flowing through the conductor, potential 0. So the current value should be 0. Ig is equal to 0. This This is equation 5. Equation 5 is substituting in equation 1, 2, 3. First equation, second equation, third equation. So Ig value 0. Ig value 0. Because equation, according to equation Ig is equal to 0, Ig equation 5 is substituting in equation 1. So I1 minus I3 0. Okay. If minus go to from left to right, so change into positive. Change in positive. I1 is equal to I3. This is equation 6. And equation 5 is substituting in equation 2. Equation 2. This is equation 2. Ig value 0. Ig value 0. So minus is go to right side. What happen? So minus is change into plus. So now I2 is equal to I4. I2 is equal to I4. Next, Ig value is substituting in equation third equation. Ig value 0. If minus value go to right side, change into simple. Minus is converted into plus. So minus go to right side, change into plus. I1P is equal to I2R. I2R. Okay. Next, equation 4. Already we know that. Equation 6 and 7 is substituting in equation 4. I1B, I3 is equal to I1. So substituting here I1, I1B plus I1, because I1 is equal to I3. So I1 Q minus I2R, I4 is equal to I2. So substituting here I2S is equal to 0. If minus is go to right side, this is equation 8th. Sorry, this is 8th equation. 9th equation is divided by 8th equations. Okay. So divided by I1 cancel, I2 cancel, remain value P cancel 1 plus Q by B is equal to S by R cancel. So S by R. Q by P is equal to S by R. So reciprocal there, P by Q is equal to R by S. So if needed only S value, unknown resistance. So if wanted only S value, S go to left side, S equal to RQ by P, cross multiply there. This is unknown resistance. Wheatstone bridge is used to find out unknown resistance in electric network. Important applications of Kirchhoff rule is Wheatstone bridge is used to find out the unknown resistance. So resistance represented by R is equal to V by I. Resistance means the ratio of voltage and current, and the unit ohms. Another unit is called volt ampere power minus 1. This is circuit, electric circuit. This circuit consists P, Q, R, S, and a power supply is connected between A and C point. Applying Kirchhoff first law at point B, I1 minus I3 minus Ig is equal to 0. Toward the junction is taken as positive, away from the junction is taken as negative. And Kirchhoff first law at point D, I2 plus Ig minus I4 is equal to 0. Okay, this is point D. Toward positive, away negative. This is equation 2. Applying Kirchhoff's second law. Electric network A, B, D, A. So the product of, already we know that second law, the product of current and resistance is equal to EMF. So the product I1 P clockwise directions positive, I1 P plus IG G minus anti-clockwise direction taken as minus current to I2 R is equal to 0. This is equation 3rd. Second law, applying A, B, C, D, A network, I1 B, I3 Q anti-clockwise direction minus I2 R minus I4 S is equal to 0. The potential is 0 at point B and D. So there is no current flowing throughout the galvanometer. Galvanometer value is 0. Galvanometer current value is 0. Equation 5 is substituting in equation 1, 2, 3. This is equation 1, Ig value 0, minus is go to right side, convert into I3. So I1 is equal to I3. This is equation 6. Next equation 5 is substituting in equation 2, Ig value 0. So I2 is equal to I4. This is equation 7. And fifth equation is substituting in equation 3rd. This is 3rd equation, Ig value 0. So I1 P is equal to I2 R. This is equation 8. This is equation 8. And 7 is substituting in equation 4. Equation 4. Okay, this is equation 4. I1 B, I3 is equal to I1. So I1 P plus I1 Q minus I2 R. I2 is equal to I4. 7th equation is substituting in equation 4. So I2 R minus I2 S is equal to 0. If minus is go to right side, change into simple. Minus is change into plus. I2 take out common, I2 of R plus S. This is equation 9. 9th equation is divided by equation 8. This is 8th equation. Same, cancel that. Same, I1 cancel, I2 cancel, B plus Q by B, P cancel, R cancel. 1 plus Q by P is equal to 1 plus S by R. 1 left right, same, cancel that. Q by P is equal to S by R. Reciprocal that P by Q is equal to R by S. S is equal to, cross multiply that, S equal to RQ by P. This is unknown resistance. Wheatstone bridge is used to find out unknown resistance in electric network.